Welcome to the new lawn care masterclass, where I'm going to share all of my tips about how to turn an old tired lawn into something you can really be proud of. Lots and lots of videos in here covering basic grass cutting techniques, lawn repairs, overseeding, wildlife, weeds, aspects, everything. There are at least 30 videos I think that we're going to actually have in this series. There are some other videos which I'll be moving over from my lawns series, which will be an addition to whatever we're going to show in here, so they'll just be extras that we can add into the list. But without further ado, let's get on with it. Welcome to the new lawn care masterclass series, where I'm going to share with you all of my tips on how to make something like this look way better. This is the lawn we're going to do. Let it roll. Okay, hold on. Sorry.